Facing water damage in Mercer County, New Jersey? Look no further than Restoration Specialists. We are your trusted experts in water damage restoration. With years of experience and a dedicated team, we specialize in restoring your property to its pre-damage condition, providing peace of mind. Our certified technicians use advanced equipment and techniques to tackle any water damage situation, from burst pipes to flooding. We offer 24/7 emergency services because we understand the urgency. Just give us a call, and our rapid response team will assess the damage and provide immediate assistance. Our thorough process includes damage assessment, water extraction, drying, dehumidification, and sanitization, aiming to prevent further damage and mold growth. We work closely with insurance companies and can assist you with the claims process, ensuring a smooth experience. Restoration Specialists is committed to exceptional customer service, with open communication, transparency, and results that exceed your expectations. For reliable water damage restoration in Mercer County, New Jersey, call Restoration Specialists at 609-669-2155. Visit our website at www.restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Mercer-County-NJ to learn more about our services and how we can restore your property. Restoration Specialists in Mercer County, New Jersey, restoring peace of mind, one property at a time.